Everyone has ideas, but how you develop that idea is the difference between good and great. Understanding the product development process can help turn your ideas into realities. At Inventus Partners, we bring products to life every day. Hi, I'm Roy Morjean, President and co-founder of Inventus Partners, a full-service product launch agency that helps people develop, crowdfund, and market their ideas. For more than 20 years, we have worked with creative entrepreneurs and inventors to bring their concepts to life. Well, once you've landed on that idea for your product, it's time to validate it. There's no point developing a product that ultimately won't sell. Conduct market research into your idea with simple Google searches, surveys, pre-sales, or even crowdfunding campaigns. So where to begin? Start by challenging your own assumptions. Talk to people about your idea and ask for honest feedback. Talk to strangers and friends and take good notes. Use Google to look for similar ideas. Look at the industry and see what they're trying to do or coming up with in terms of new innovations. Research an idea that can be easily broken down potentially into 6 key questions, and having the answers will help you decide if your idea is worth pursuing or if it's best to move on to the next one. First, is there a need for this product? What kind of need is it? Essential items like PPE and medical offices fill a much different need than entertainment devices, though both serve a true need. Think about how you might communicate the need to your consumers. You want them to say, "Oh wow, I totally need that." Does your idea already exist? There are almost no truly unique ideas, right? So look for products or ideas similar to yours and also that solve the same problem. Researching the good, bad, and the ugly about similar products will help you refine your idea into something consumers will need. Who is your target audience? The answer definitely isn't everyone. When answering this question, think about who will use your product most, how much money they will have, and other factors about them. This will really help you narrow down your target audience and improve the desirability of the product itself. Who are your competitors? Initial research about your idea likely brought you to the current brands in the marketplace. How many are there? Are you trying to reinvent a smartphone? And will you be competing with the Goliaths like Apple and Samsung? How much of the market could you steal away? Many venture capital firms estimate that a new idea might capture 1 or 2% of the market. How will you make money? If your idea is viable, competition is low, and you've got an audience of target consumers, it's time to think about money. Understand what it will cost to create your product and what price your consumers will be willing to pay for it. Be sure to understand whether you'll turn a profit early or if the upfront costs will mean waiting longer to break even. Be sure you're comfortable with projection numbers before moving forward at this point. What's your marketing strategy? Think about whether or not you want to sell directly to consumers or if you'd rather sell to other businesses. How will you reach your audience? This is where you may want to consider a marketing agency like Inventus Partners to help support your idea as it comes to life. Once you've answered the first 5 questions thoroughly and given thought to the 6th, you're ready to begin prototyping. Make sure to have your research, product sketches, and early feedback organized so the engineers here and developers can work with you more easily. Going through this process is just the tip of the iceberg in truly bringing your idea to life. The reality is, there's so much more to learn to do before you ever bring this product to market. Luckily, our channel offers more information about product development, crowdfunding, and marketing to get you to the finish line. So make sure you subscribe today and check out the links below for all the additional resources. See you next time.